Hello, I'm Judge Lisa Wilson, and I'm chair of the 10th Judicial Circuit Pro Bono Committee. The 10th Judicial Circuit Pro Bono Committee is a group comprised of lawyers and judges that strive to enhance equal access to justice by encouraging and promoting pro bono work in the 10th Judicial Circuit, which covers Peoria, Tazewell, Stark, Marshall, and Putnam counties. There is a tremendous amount of pro bono work being done within the 10th Judicial Circuit. But we need your help in order to make sure that people who are in need receive appropriate legal services. The Administrative Office of Illinois Courts compiled some statistics in 2015 that showed that 93 out of 102 counties reported that more than half of their civil cases had at least one self-represented litigant. Judges often have to forego a typically passive role in court proceedings to accommodate self-represented litigants who are unfamiliar with the process while remaining impartial. With unique skill sets, lawyers are equipped to provide necessary legal help to the least of those in our community. The persons that you will serve will be grateful, and you will know that you have contributed in a significant way to help someone in great need. Now you're going to hear more about the specific available pro bono attorney opportunities, and I would just ask on behalf of the 10th Judicial Circuit Pro Bono Committee that you find a way to help those who are in need. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Jessica Schneider, and I'm the managing attorney at the Public Interest Law Initiative.
And I am Lydia Wagenbach, the pro bono coordinator for the Peoria and Galesburg Prairie State Legal Services offices.
We are here to talk to you about the pro bono opportunities that are available in the 10th Judicial Circuit.
Prairie State offers many different civil pro bono opportunities for attorneys, ranging from advice clinics to extended representation in family law cases, to short-term opportunities such as drafting powers of attorney and wills. Areas in which clients need your help include divorce and custody, minor and adult guardianship cases, simple wills, powers of attorney, bankruptcy and other consumer issues, housing, and sealing and expungements. The time commitment varies by case. Prairie State sealing and expungement clinics are very popular. Volunteers typically spend no more than 2 to 3 hours at a clinic. And once they've advised the client at the clinic, they are free to leave. Remote opportunities are also available. I will now turn it over to Jessica to talk about some of the opportunities at Pili.
There are a few specific ways that you can get involved. For a shorter term opportunity, Pili operates 2 self-represented litigant help desks. One is in Peoria County and one is in Tazewell County. This is a 2-hour opportunity that occurs several times a month and can be signed up for in advance. In terms of representation in civil legal cases, there are a couple ways to get involved. Pili is part of the Illinois Armed Forces Legal Aid Network, and we provide civil legal services across Illinois to veterans, active duty military, and certain family members. Additionally, we have the Conflict of Interest Pro Bono Referral Panel. When Prairie State Legal Services in Peoria has to deny a client services due to a conflict of interest, they refer the case to the Public Interest Law Initiative, and we attempt to find a pro bono attorney. Finally, a great opportunity is the Illinois Free Legal Answers site. It operates as a virtual civil legal clinic that is available to all low-income Illinoisans, and volunteer attorneys can log in at any time from anywhere to answer civil legal questions.
Each year, legal aid organizations across the country are forced to turn down thousands of requests for legal assistance from the most vulnerable members of our community because our paid staff do not have the capacity to meet the demand. The pro bono assistance of lawyers is often the only thing standing between the poor and hungry, homelessness, violence, and abuse. Prairie State and Pili could always use more attorneys to help close the justice gap. If every attorney volunteered a few hours a year, we can make a difference in hundreds of lives.
Both Pili and Prairie State Legal Services are also here to help. We can provide you with information, resources, and training that help support you during the life of a pro bono case. We definitely want to make sure you feel comfortable in getting involved, and it is our goal to make sure that every attorney has the resources they need in order to help their clients.
I'm Paul Gilfillan, Chief Judge in the 10th Judicial Circuit. You've now heard about the numerous opportunities to get involved in 10th Judicial Circuit pro bono, as well as the need for legal services. Setting aside the rules of professional conduct for a moment, the rules of an organized and civilized and lawful society tell us that lawyers play a vital role in the preservation of that society. The rules of professional conduct tell us that it's also our responsibilities as licensed officers of the court to use our training, experience, and skills to provide services in the public interest for which compensation may not be available or expected. So too, law firms and their managing partners have an obligation to provide the opportunity for legal services to be prepared and performed for others in need. I've done both as a practicing young lawyer and not so young lawyer, as well as the managing partner of a law firm. I recognize the critical importance for both to play a role. It's imperative that we in the legal profession go out into the community and provide pro bono legal services to those in need. I also know that as a young attorney, in addition to gaining valuable experience, it can also create a connection and a bond with the judiciary. To this day, there are lawyers I see that used to appear in front of me on a pro bono basis in divorce court that still resonate with me. And I immediately recognize them and am grateful for their service in the past and also in the present. With that said, I want to thank you immensely, and please go to our websites to learn more about the opportunities to volunteer. Everyone in the 10th Circuit, be safe, be well, and I'll see you in court.